Yale Real Living Touchscreen and Push-Button Lever Lock. Factory Reset. The following procedure returns the lock to its factory defaults by deleting all user codes, including the master PIN code, and returning all programming features to their original factory default settings. For a list of factory default settings, refer to the Factory Default Settings table in the Installation and Programming Instructions. Remove 2 of the batteries and then remove the interior escutcheon to access the Reset button. The Reset button is located above the cable connector plug. Hold down the Reset button for a minimum of 3 seconds and reinstall the batteries. Once the batteries are properly installed, release the Reset button. All features, including adjustable settings, are now returned to factory default. Once you wake up the lock, Master PIN code registration is the only option available and must be performed prior to any other programming of the lock.
8-digit PIN code. Press the pound key to continue. Registered.